yung mga ganitong laro. Alam mo kanina parang may killer daw puno, tapos
Wala
hinahantin niya ako.
talagang ilaw.
How do we
Parang
turn
dalawa
this
kami.
off?
Walang ilaw.
Like, hindi ba siya nag-turn on?
So
Uy.
this is the village.
Really?
Chip. We need to find the village chip.
Pangilang player to be?
Chip! Pangwalo?
Oh, walo. Ay, pinipindot lang pala. Gonggong.
Walang ilaw. Para sa itong lantern?
Oh! Oh! What the fuck? Ay, may ilaw na!
Ah, late siya. Parang literal na nagbubukas.
What the heck?
Hindi umubo.
Turn up. Ay, oo nga, pinatay ko.
Paano? Paano mo
Ay,
binubuksan?
Itatak nyo.
Mag-double click mo. May nan, tas may lantern.
Wala oh.
Oh, tapos click mo.
You know.
Wala ako! Ah!
Eh, ano, hawakan mo BFF.
Oo nga, wala eh. Oh, lantern na siya eh. Darling, oh look. Oh, you do it to me.
Tap yung screen mo.
Oh, nan. Oh.
Tap yung screen. Tap yung screen.
Bakit kay BF?
Ah, yeah, the
Ayaw,
screen
screen
only.
pala.
Oh, sorry. Huwag ka na magalit.
Ay lang ito.
May pa mauna ka.
Ano yun?
Who are you? Why are you here, bitch? What you mean?
Gagawa yung pala yung village ship. Sinarado ako ng pintuan.
Gago ka. Ay,
Oh,
Pinulat niya kasi ako guys.
you shouldn't be here. This village is
you
cursed.
have food here. Can I have your pala instead?
What is that? Back then, they are just like that. What you mean? Who is?
Who is?
If you hear a
Gamelan.
gamelan, don't approach. But I know you will be stubborn. Yeah.
We are stubborn.
Why is your pose like that?
See, the posture is very,
You look like catatonic. Goodbye. I don't wanna leave your house no more, Chip.
Hindi pwede masarap.
Oh, darling.
Bye.
Did you close?
Ay, did. Asan na si BFF?
BFF! Why you left?
Basta.
Oh! Sino yun?
Si ano lang si village chief.
Village. You do have COPD, village chip?
May lantern.
What
There we
is
go.
open the lock shelf?
Find the key
Keep
for
the
the shelf.
shelf. Guys, there's more.
Ano nangyari? Bakit nalipat ako?
The fuck was that?
Ano yun?
Ano nangyari? Ba't parang may maingay tapos tuloy na ako sa inyo?
We can run.
Ay, blood. There's blood.
Sino?
What?
Oh! COPD!
Door.
PTB, yung sakit ng mga tao dito. Hoy, ano yun?
Bumukas yung bintana.
Guys, pag sumigaw ako, man scream lang yun na.
Okay.
That's man scream. Daw makapasok. You're too fat.
Walang gamit.
You too thick. You're too thick.
No key here, no key here.
How do you basa this BFF?
This is an Indian game to.
You try.
Puskesmas. Sa konon.
Hoy! Hoy!
Iyawan na si Conan. Where's Conan, bitch?
What if Conan is the village?
Where is you guys?
Darling! I am scared of this fish.
Oh,
Darling, come with me, please. Here, oh.
Puske.
Darling!
Ako nun.
Darling, here. Don't go there, please. Let's look.
I got the key.
Yun,
I
may
got the key.
kina. Asan na?
Very
Asan
nice.
yung lock shelf?
Yeah, so the
Doon kay kay Chip. Balik tayo sa bahay ni Chip. Andun yung shelf.
Yeah, however, I am lost.
BFF.
Oh, there you are.
Oh!
I am terrible with place.
Ah, ito.
I'm terrible.
Here is Dito yung bahay ni Chip. Pinagsaraduhan siya ni Day. Ito.
Where's the
Ito, oh.
shelf?
Open it, open it. What is there? Read note.
Who is she? The one dressed as queen? Ah,
Oh, sorry. I closed the, ano.
It's a queen.
Queen of what?
Yun yung clue?
Find and read the
What clue is that?
move to discard. What?
Ah, lumusog lang kayo para mawala. Yun lang yun.
I think this is the hunt.
Who is
Mag-hunt
she?
na to for sure.
Where is
It's the
you
way.
guys? Kuya, saan kayo?
Andito ako sa bahay. Guys! may floating paper.
Where is you guys?
Dito, darling, sa paper ko. Saan ako saan kita inaya kanina? What the fuck, why?
They are broke.
Oh, what is that? Why
Darling, hello.
Hello? Darling, here. Let's go here.
Wait, the village looks empty, but it's not. At night, the Gamayan place.
Oh,
They tried
shit.
to- May nagugulat ka sa Nagulat kayo? May lumitaw na mukha sa akin sa bintana.
Pao
Open
po.
niyo yung pag-iingat ko.
Pao
Ano pakiramdam ng magnanakaw, no? We ravage stuff. Oh, what's this? The house.
Darling, dyan yung ano.
Yung?
Yung sumilip.
Oh!
Oh!
Asan kayo? Ba't iniwan niyo ako?
Saan kayo?
Where is this place?
Villagers live offering at the forest edge. Rice, flour, and blood. Those who forgets vanish. Why vanish? Oh, don't leave me.
They are watching. Sabi
What
ng-
if that's the Galamen? Gamelan? Darling, I think here pa, oh. There's more houses here. Ay, umikot lang tayo.
Hindi tayo galing.
Oh, hala.
I think this is the only way.
This is a course place.
Para tayo sa Odysseus na gusto umuwi.
Fuck Odysseus, eh. The Galamen calls only those chosen ones. If you hear it, it's already too late. What you mean? How we know? How what? Darling!
I'm scared. I'm sorry.
Ito ka ba galing,
Tayo
BFF?
galing ah.
Ay, naka-close na siya. I cannot go in anymore. Nasaan kayo? Chip!
Ayun, dito nakita ko na.
Chip, they leave me, Chip!
Saan mo nakikita yung ano?
Ito, paper, oh. Paper.
Paper.
Those who search for the missing vanishes too. Cemetery grows, but nobody truly dies. What the fuck?
Pwede tayo magtago dito.
Napunta mo na to, BFF?
Hindi pa.
Ako ba yung umuubo?
Hindi.
Masarado, hindi ko mabuksan, no?
Ako rin.
May bahay dito. Never mind, sa kabila yung daan.
Oy, why is there sound like that?
Boom. Tapos bigla may lumitaw sa akin.
Sisigaw.
Kaya
Oh! Why is the clouds look like that? Look, it's red, oh. Uy, ito guys, yung ano. How do we open this shit? Kulang pa tayo ng tatlong paper.
Protein.
Mas nakakatakot to, hindi natin alam kung ano yung itsura nila.
Hindi pa ba yun? Yung kalaban natin kanina. Kulang pa tayo, Chip.
Oh god, hindi ko kayo makita.
Darling, I think I'm having heart attack from this game. I'm having chest pain.
Wala na dito.
Ano kayo guys?
Oh.
Oh! Oh! Ano yun?
Bukas na lahat eh.
Eh, pero wala. Balik tayo kay Chief. Baka merong paper sa house ni Chief.
Ayun.
Na-open yung mga ano, darling. Yung mga cabinet.
Wala akong makita sa cabinet dito. Nasaan kayo?
I'm hearing things.
Uy, where is you, Pip? This game, fuck this.
Ano pa yung
Kaya
kulang
tayo galing
natin?
eh.
Tatlong paper. Uy,
May
sabi.
kinakatay na.
Di ba pwede itong mga paper dito?
Dito tayo galing kanina eh. Nabuksan na yan.
I mean, wala bang paper? Kasi paper yung hinahanap natin eh.
Sarado to. Ito yung cemetery.
Darling?
I'm here. Ako lang may nakakarinig ng ano.
Ay, kaya nga nagtataka ako eh.
Wait lang.
Am I the first one?
You're the chosen one, darling.
Meron
Hindi
ako
ako
interrupt na
makapasok.
nakita eh.
Bakit hindi ako makapasok? Hello, I cannot enter this. Why?
Ako din, hindi ko na ma-enter. Oh! Ay, ba't nakakapasok si BFF?
BFF is not the chosen.
Oy, tingnan mo BFF, di kami makapasok.
What?
Hindi kami makapasok.
Bakit? Pinatay na sa loob ah.
Nasa loob ka, darling?
Yes.
I cannot.
Ayan, try mo. Oh.
Ba't ito ayaw mabukas?
Guys, parang pinihili pa ako.
Ito, buksan nyo nga to. Ayaw bumukas.
Ayun no, BFF ikaw. Akit ka dun. Hindi ako makapasok eh.
Where?
Here.
Oh!
People dito. In this village, people vanishes.
Oh, di ba may isa pa?
They say they go to the mountains for wood or
Pinabata
visit their
kami dyan.
ancestors,
Di
but
kami
not
pina-
returns.
Pinabata kami
Only
palayo.
Faith Gamelan. Gamelan yata to. Face from the first of night.
There is a cream.
Yung akin wala.
Baka yan sa gilid. Yung may akin na sa gilid.
Oh, nasad nga ako eh. Kaya di ko siya kinain, darling.
Dalawa na lang.
Dalawa na lang. Ano yun? Darling, where is you? Leave that house. It's cursed. It doesn't want me there.
I think I'm the one who's cursed.
Where's the olive? Where's the dust? Oh. Ito bahay sa mga Bisaya.
I don't know.
Visayas region.
Help. Basta
Darling.
I-close nyo lang yung door.
What door?
Punasan
Ay,
ako.
ito.
Punasan ako.
Somebody still lives offering in the forest. Uy, darling! Bakit may umuubo sa'yo?
Ako yun.
Ikaw?
I think.
You help me? You're sick. What you mean?
Ay, ito na nakita ko na BFF. Andito pala ako sa...
BFF, ako muna i-open. Na-open ko na yung isa eh. Saan ka?
Close mo yan, close mo yan. Close mo lang yan yung door.
Let's go. Ito yung isa oh. One is here.
Why is it always with me?
Ito oh, parang ano ano siya, parang nagsuspawn siya. This, oh. Somebody still lives offering in the forest. Flowers, rice, even blood. I also found a diary that reads, "Eat and you will be freed."
Last night I saw the market
Alive with colors. But their smiles empty. I think I was wrong. Ah! Ano? Ay, okay. Chip? Chip, where to go?
Chip, where is the other one?
Don't tell me we're supposed to go back to Chief.
Why is it always reading me what I do? Why me? I'm innocent, no? I am quiet, you know?
The Gamelan doesn't care. It wants blood.
Likes you,
It
darling.
wants your blood.
Doesn't want my filthy mouth.
Ito yung last.
Wait. Oh, darling.
If you eat, they will release you or capture you forever.
Nasaan kayo? Oh, I am left alone. Uy, ito na. Listen to the galam. Nasaan kayo?
Maybe here. Where we
Ang
go?
narinig ko lang ay
Sabi,
pag-
listen and approach the music. Interfere with the gamelan. Where is
With the
Muse?
lantern, you crazy bitch. What do you want me to do? Show the lantern?
What we do?
Where's the Gamelan though?
I don't hear music. Darling, lead the way. I don't hear.
Tumalakas dito sa area na to. Hindi ko alam kung saan.
Oh,
Okay.
Approach
Mr.
the
Pierce, be
music.
brave. Tayo pag-asa ng bayan. We fight the Gamelan.
What is you?
Where?
Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me.
Ano yun?
I'm scared din sa inyo, yung mukha.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Jesus Lord.
Is this the cave? I think I have
Mr.
a
Pierce?
heart.
Oh, darling.
I am sick too.
Oh, we need to go to the cave.
Which one?
This one.
This
Ayun.
way?
I am brave. I am brave. I am brave.
Hoy, BFF! Oh no. Why not straight ahead? Why here?
Ito.
BFF dito daw. Saan ba?
Dito nga. Ito.
Which way?
Oh my god.
Oh. Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Ayun o.
Asan? Hala?
Ayun no, may kultura!
Do we go?
Interfere the way! Interfere! Place the crystal! Oh shit! I cannot go!
I'm out. I love you, but I have to go.
I cannot!
Place the crystals to the place.
Why am I sick?
Lumabas ako ng cave.
Nauna ka pa sa akin!
Why am I sick? Why am I always sick?
You is copying. Place the crystal.
Ayaw mo papuntahin dun.
I think
We need to be inside the cave, I think.
ikaw kasi ang bilis mo tumakbo!
Nagulat ako eh.
Matitulog.
Hindi ako makahinga ng
Nag-iwanan sila.
maayos.
Pagnigon pa lang nila, nakatakbo na ako eh.
Ano yung other cave?
Ewan ko.
Oo, tingin natin ito kabila.
What is it, darling?
I don't know. I'm hearing
Ano
shit.
meron dito?
Ito yung cave natin eh. Oh, they're gone. Oh, they are gone. We need to find the crystal. Oh shit, fuck. What? We need to find crystals. though?
Or the crystals. Baka dun sa other cave.
What is this?
The red lit Sasagen burn as a barrier against a wandering spirits. Your only safe zone.
Sasagen burn as a barrier.
Ano yun?
Sip ako dito.
Saan? Asa ka?
Ito, yung may ano. Yan, darling.
Where is?
Yan.
Ito lang safe?
Yan, oh. Says you're safe here, eh. Ayan yung ano, eh, burner.
What is this red?
Ay,
This
kaki.
is the
Ewan ko to.
Ano?
Oh, it's a maze.
Ay, shit. Ito yung sinasabi.
Na
Okay,
ano?
so...
We need to
first
collect all the ano.
Why am I sick? Am I old? Old
Yes,
grade
Clovis,
yata ako dito.
PHOE na ako, guys.
What? What would you mean? We're all in this together.
Ay, ito yung burner. Save tayo dito.
Okay, kapag may burner,
Pero may burner dito.
dayain natin to. Ama, take a picture of the maze. Cause fuck this.
Ganyan kami sa unang mimic. Di ba may maze yun?
Yeah.
May mga mapa naman siya all throughout BFF.
We never know. It's better to be safe than sorry. Are you done?
Nandito pa lang ako. Sa huling technique.
Oh, this is a dead end. Dead end.
Sinasama ko na kasi para isang bata na lang.
Why is there a flapping woman?
Saan na si BFF?
I think he fuck around and find out.
I go blind. I almost
Ayan, may
go
mga
blind.
map each ano.
Kaso we need to go back.
Nagulat ako sa inyo! Nagulat ako sa inyo! Nagulat ako sa inyo!
Saan na tayo?
I swear! I swear! Mas mataas
We
pa
need
yung
to
chance
find
ako.
the crystal.
Pag tingad kasi nanay po makikita ko ng ganito.
I will YOLO this.
Darling, where is you?
Sisad ko mamel. Ito yung sisad ko sa GC. Tingnan niyo yung tsura ni nanay.
Ay shit, what the fuck? Why is there a house here?
Who?
Ay, nagahan siya, nagahan siya, nagahan.
Uy, gago.
Sa red lang. Why are you loud? Nasa red ako.
Safe ba yung red?
Guys, may nagahan. I think.
I think, darling, we're supposed to sound like that. All of us, kasi nasa cave tayo. Kaso naka-off yata yung akin.
Bakit? Pero,
Tayo. Sakit pa manog eh.
Di meron din sa akin nagbiblink din yung
Oh,
lights
sa'yo?
ko.
Asan na kayo?
ito yung mag-live.
Balaga!
Kaki. Oh my gosh. Mas, palagi niyo ako nagugulat. No shit.
Asan na? Oh.
Tagahan, 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 tagahan.
Ang hirap naman hanapin ng crystal na to.
Hindi pa kasi natin alam eh.
I don't get this. Where is it?
Hindi ko na nakita.
Nag-light siya kung saan nag-iilaw.
Ayun, crystal.
Nasaan?
Nakikita niyo kapag
Ay, ko lang.
Sumasakto yung dede ko sa larong to. Let's go,
Hindi
darling.
mo mapapatay, boy. Hindi mo mapapatay.
Why is it with me?
No, darling. It's here. Ay, andito!
Nasa.
Tangina ka. Pag na,
Hindi ko
ay,
nakita.
dumata. Day, wag ka pang tatakbo. Wait lang.
Wala naman ah. Pero din yung heartbeat to, tug-tug.
Diyan kasi pumunta eh.
Di ba pumunta na?
Ano yan ba?
Takbo, darling, takbo. Balik ka lang. Go, go, go. Dali, dali, darling. Dali, dali, dali.
Fuck shit.
Ayun, BF, every time mo.
Fuck that.
Diyan ko nakikita eh.
Uy, ano yun? Ay, nabawasan yata ako. Ay, hindi.
Uy, BFF, what the fuck is you doing?
Bakit may bumaba sa bubong? May sa
Hello.
kuweba, tapos nang gulat.
Asa ka na, BFF?
Dito.
Nandito, may niretso ko. May...
Ay,
May bumaba dyan,
nasa
nagulat ako.
iyo?
Ako.
Am I allowed to meet that?
Yeah, let's go.
Uy, sino yung namatay?
Si Day.
Help!
Pero may
Rescue
UFC.
me! Bakit may people doon?
Feeling ko bawal tayo mag-isa. How I rescue you? What?
Ay, ang
Yarga mo.
bilis.
Yatak, tara.
Uy, mamaya ako yung i-sacrifice nyo.
Kaya pala may sakit si Day.
Kaya pala may sakit ako.
Mo.
Nakagat.
I am strong.
Yeah.
Ay, nahulog.
Paano
Oh,
ka mabubuhay?
I don't know.
Hihintayin niya ata mag-regen HP mo, Day. Ayun, okay na.
Eh, wala akong ano.
Oh, stay there, darling. We stay here. Go, BFF. Takbo!
Pistol.
Takbo! Hintayin muna natin mag-yellow si Day.
Tada! Pistol.
Eh, may crystal na siya, ha?
Ayun.
Paano ako mabubuhay? Ah, nag-ano?
Yeah, nagre-regen siya.
Ba't sa akin
Okay.
wala? Sakit na gilit.
Grabe itong larong to.
Sakit chan.
Alam ko na kung ba't siya intended sa maraming people.
Yeah. Parang mas mahirap kapag tatlo lang tayo.
BFF, wag mo kaming iwan, bitch!
I think this is my only life. Ay, hindi nag-ano.
Nag-ano ito? Lumalaki.
Kakabagal. Pabigit talaga ako sa ulo. Pero wala naman siya dun, ah. Paano ko malalaman kung wala na siya dun?
May bumagsak din sa akin. Halika, darling.
Nasa taas ba siya? Nasa baba? Pwede ko nasa taas siya eh.
Oh, let's go, darling. Halika. Dito tayo. Let's run.
Pwede hindi naghahan. Nasa taas ba siya? Nasa baba?
Kanina, nung papunta ako, ginulat niya ako. Nung paalis ka doon, kaya palang ginulat.
Nakuha ako kanina eh. Pero hindi naman ako namatay.
He go for the weakest kanya.
You're not the weakest. Oh, darling, I think we say a little bit here, a little bit. Where is your lantern?
Is here with
Yeah. You light, be the light. Oh, you're nightingale.
I am not fighting.
You are lighting. What you mean, oh, look. Oh, see, you're light.
I'm not lighting. That is the, ano, peace.
No, you is.
Ayun lang.
Darling, darling, darling.
Bakit ka naman ganyan?
Kaya nga yung ritual room pala
Nasa
nasa loob
taas.
din ng maze.
Nasa amin.
Pali pagkakaintindi ko pala.
Nasaan ka na, BFF?
Nasa starting point ako, Bepe.
You go back?
Akala ko doon ibabalik eh.
Kailangan natin kunin lahat eh. There's 2 more. Kaso nasa dulo. What the fuck?
Nagtagahan siya, pero hindi ko siya makita.
So, we're here. Tapos, bumalik tayo dito.
Ito lang.
Ayan yung dalawang crystal, ayun, no? Magkatabi sila.
Eh, di balik
Wanna
tayo.
go for it, darling? Oh, shit.
Yeah.
1,
Where are we going?
to the next this. Outside.
Okay.
1, 2, 3! This or this. You're only.
Nasa taas ba siya? Nasa gilid? Hindi ko siya
Ito
makita.
started.
Go there, darling, to the banner.
Okay, okay.
Wait lang.
Is it? It's always with us.
Yeah.
Naririnig ko yung ano.
Why is he breathing?
I don't know, darling. My character is old.
Here,
Uy,
darling.
narinig ko sa'yo.
Darling?
Sa akin.
Hmm?
Darling, don't move.
Hindi ata pwede ganyan. Yan. Pwede lang yung ano yung red. Pwede ka ba ano? Hindi ka ba pwede umano sa akin?
I gapang to you.
Ay, gapang tumi, gapang tumi. Gapang tumi, darling.
Parang worm. Darling, it's red.
No, pinatay ko yung ilaw ko.
Oh. The red is good.
Yeah, kailangan red ata.
Hey, you pick me up.
Yup, yeah. Sabihin mo yung stamina mo.
Wala, I am down.
Kailangan ba ibaba kita?
Hindi man. Bitbit din kita kanina.
Ayan. Ayan.
Ni darling this.
Kailangan ata red yung ano. Red,
Parang dapat
red na ano.
kayo dito.
Kailangan red
Pwede
yung lapag.
Ayan.
Oh.
Ay, nakita ko na. Gets ko na. Ay, sabi niya, Indonesia to eh.
Si BFF yung naririnig ko, darling.
I know this shit. May laro kami, kampong
Si
naman yung
BFF
tama.
yung ano.
Darling, meron pa. Darling, there's more there. Sumasakit ulo ko.
Dalawa pang crystal. Do you wanna go here instead?
There's more there, darling. After
Na
this, oo, merong red. Diretso tayo. One na try.
One,
1, 2, 3, go! Mommy!
Asan na yung isa pang ano? Ayun, dun yung crystal.
Saan?
Malayo naman.
I don't see any red there.
Thank you. Do we risk it? I will tell you, okay? I go.
You be brave. Darling, you go back home.
I go back. I go.
Oh, darling.
Asan may crystal? Asan ba ako? No, si BFF.
Bumalik ka nun,
Si
darling.
BFF na ako. Wala na eh.
Oo,
Hindi na kailangan.
Saya nagwawala.
Dito na
Walang iya kayong dalawa. Huwag ako maghanap pa.
Ikaw yung wala nang iwan. Hindi mo kami binalikan. Asan ni Crystal?
BFF, ano to? Inspired to sa Indonesian folktales.
Kaya nga eh.
Text mo ako dito. Mythologies pala.
Uy, nabibili ko sa akin. Sa akin.
Yung ko yung papadang.
Nag-yumayanig kasi ako eh.
Sa akin.
You wanna go back to me?
O yun, completed na.
Darling! Baby, ba't mo kinomplete? Hindi kami makaalis. Saan ka dumaan?
Ay, pagdadire-diretso nyo, puro ano na lang to. Marami lang incense dito.
Ha?
I'm here, darling.
Ano yun, BFF?
Is with
Marami
us.
ng incense dito.
Eh,
Like literally.
Dito lang kami sa map.
Wanna go? One?
Darling is with us still.
Ay, okay. Nabuhayan ako sa puro incense eh.
Bakit sa'yo hindi nag-
Ewan ko. Naka-low volume ko nga. Hinihingal din pala ako.
May nalito. Yung pumunta ba sa inyo yung tumatalon-talon?
Wala.
Hindi, let's
Shall we
go.
Where?
Go here.
Darling.
Putang ina, nandito na.
Are you in the red? Do I go there? I go there, okay.
Ay, shit. Mali.
Should I go there? Ayan ba yung outside?
Hindi. Ayun si BFF.
BFF, help! Tapos ako rin tatakbo.
Doon na, dalawa.
Oh shit, why are you loud?
Pick me up.
Pick you up, darling. Come here, baby girl.
Come here to the girl.
Uy,
Let's
wag mo na
go.
kami iwan.
Sige tayo. Diyan lang tayo konti.
Oh my God.
Ready na?
Wandali! Nag-ano pa ng stamina eh. Iniwan
No,
na
let's
naman
go,
tayo.
let's go. 1, 2, 3. Uy, wait lang. Joke lang. Darling.
BFF very brave.
Ang ingay ko naman. Huwag ka maingay.
Sabi sa'yo ako rin di maingay. Ayan, wala na, darling.
Oh.
Bumalik ka.
Tara daw eh. Bigla ang nagpakita.
Where shall we go?
Lead the way, BFF. You've been here.
Oh, fuck.
Can't touch your speech.
Oh.
I am... BFF, mag-count ka naman.
Kaya.
We go freestyle, boy. Dito yata yun. Kita
Ayun no, may red doon no.
Ang galing ka tayo din eh.
Saan ba tayo? Hindi ba tayo dito doon?
Dito dapat.
BFF.
Pero ma-idol na tayo. Sanya ulit yan.
Ayun no. Up ahead, bitch.
Bye, 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 bye.
The fuck?
May forgot.
Oh.
Parang dapat dun tayo dumaan, no?
Wait lang. No stamina.
Nilakad ko lang. Nilakad ko lang. Ay, oo, dito nga. Tapos diretso tayo doon. Doon pa kita. Dito, oh. Ay, na marami. Tiyan yan, dami.
Boss fight ba to?
Uy, siya. Mukha tayong
Hindi ko siya
Christmas sa
nakikita.
itlog.
Hindi natin siya nakikita, no?
Nagtitigilan pa tayo.
Hindi siya nakikita.
Grabe, mali yung napuntahan ko. Narinig ko lang yung dug-dug-dug-dug-dug. Yan pa ba?
Tanggalin mo yung lantern. Tanggal ko yung lantern eh. Kasi naano ko, nalilito ako sa dilaw tsaka sa red.
Nandiyan siya.
Saan?
Ay, kapabila lang ako ha.
Hello.
Nandito na ako, hinihintay ko lang kayo. Run! Doon tayo sa kabila, nakikita nyo.
Oh, I'm sick.
I am so...
You see that? You see that? Ngayon hindi ko na alam kung saan.
What now? Look there.
Ba to?
Oh my God. Ang bilis tumakbo ni BFF.
Sorry, nagulat ako eh. Dito yata. Langya ka, nagkanta. Bye, we survive.
Where is you guys?
What you mean
Wait,
place?
ano to?
We done?
Sit there.
Uy, nasaan kayo? Uy!
Ay, kailangan sleep na window.
Fuck, where we go?
Ay, may ilog na.
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Punta ka dito, BFF! Gapa ka dito.
Yeah, boy!
Yeah, boy.
I survived! Jeremy, strong woman.
Nakita ko siya, mami siya.
Kaya,
Yeah.
Bali,
Ay,
wait, may mga kulto dito. Ako ba yung isa sakripisyo ng mga bitch na to?
wala ka pa rin stamina.
Guys, can I go? I go to you.
Alam niyo ba yung tumatalon-talon na yan? Kung paano yan talunin?
Guys, may kulto dun. Saan tayo punta?
Tara na.
Napaka-stamina. Wala na kayo. Sarap ako.
Scary shit.
Pwede lang taratak tayo. Ay, run, bitch.
Ayan yung kulto. Ay, hindi. Vincenzo.
Ay, mali. Balik tayo.
Balik.
Huh? Matis.
Makakakit ka dun. Iwan tayo ni BFF po. 1.
Ang dilim. Hindi ko
Man.
makita.
Nasaan siya?
Nakakakit ka dyan?
Saan?
Naglakad lang
Doon.
ako. Dito lang guys.
Dito?
Saan kayo?
Ay, hindi. Wala yan.
Table, ano ba
Uy,
eh?
dito kayo. Wala yan. Dead end yan. Dead end yan. Escape the game. Escape the game.
Uy, BFF, back. I became a chikon.
Makakawalor na tayo.
Ay, na!
Uy, bitch! Uy, this is gonna die, I think.
Diyan na tayo. You think?
No, I think he did.
Survive!
I survive. Ano yan? Escape the cave. Escape the maze. 1, 2.
Run! Don't count! Just run! Don't worry guys, I will carry you when you fall down.
Wow.
Eh.
Ay.
I run again.
Ay.
Stand tayo, nililigaw na ako.
Saan yung labas nito?
Ay, baliktad din. Sa
This is
kabila
a
na.
dead end, bitch.
Dito. You lead the way, I follow.
Ito. Ito yung palabas kanina.
Oh, yeah. Where do we go? Over here. Never mind, I'm back. I'm back.
It's okay. Nasa lubong ko siya. Kahit nandito tayo, basta nakasalubong, we cannot do shit.
Ano ba yun?
Okay, kasi nandito na ako nung nakasalubong ko
Where we
siya.
running?
Tinalon-talunan niya ako eh.
Where we
Straight.
running?
Straight there, darling. You see that? The black, then go to the red. Yan.
Paano ka pa yung nag-sway din eh?
And then where I run?
Paano ni kami din?
Where I run? Where are we running?
What?
Wait lang.
Where do we go?
Where are we running?
Was this here before?
Was we here before?
Dito junction ba?
Ah, dead end to. Kabila. Here we go here.
Ito.
Ayan na, malapit na tayo.
Here and what's over here?
This is dead end.
Dead end. Oh, we go here. Nasaan kayo?
Yepet, alayo ko na naman.
Oh!
Parang gulat ako.
Gapang dito, gapang dito. Gapang dito.
Ang hirap paglaro, hindi ko siya nakikita.
Kaya nga eh.
We got you, baby girl!
Baby girl! We're in this together, baby girl!
I cannot suffer this Lumiri.
Nandito tayo. Ayan. That
Go
is
straight
there.
ahead, may incense doon.
So we need to go to the dulo.
Go straight,
Down.
go straight, go straight.
Yeah. Should we
Diretso
skip? Let's go.
Never mind, never mind.
There's ano dito, dali, red. Wait lang, wait lang. BF.
Never mind, never mind. I don't wanna risk. Hindi ko siya nakikita. Hindi ko siya nakikita. Ang hirap niya
Hindi na
hanapin.
talaga siya pag narinig mo lang yung sound niya. Sorry. I'm
Pero
done.
andyan na siya.
Ano? Saan tayo? Right
Parang
or
may
left?
times na nakikita ko siya, may times na hindi.
Dito pa lang tayo.
Hindi. Nandito tayo kanina, di ba?
Hindi. Palabas na tayo, darling. We're supposed to go back here.
Ayun siya.
Kailangan hindi natin siya matatouch. Yung tumatalon, kailangan di natin matatouch.
Huh?
I think we're supposed to go here.
Paano naabot si Kabili? Nasa bilog siya.
Kailangan di siya matatouch, yung tumatalon.
Kahit nasa loob. Dead end ba to? Ay, hindi.
So strong!
Right, pile one. Diba?
Si BF. So, mamatay ulit siya.
Dito na yun, dito na yun. Tsaka lang. Tagahan. Yan pa, dito nga.
Yun o,
Mga
nagja-jump.
pinitpit na yan na lang kasi yung incense, no? Hindi pa siya nahirapan.
Gaga pang here.
Doon kayo, lahat.
Are we out? Are we gonna go out? Where?
There.
Oh, faster! Ito na yung out.
Where?
Ito na.
Saan na?
Nakalabas tayo.
Kanan? Kaliwa?
Diretso. Out! Dito, diretso doon.
Dito?
Yes! Siya, yun yung start natin, no? Oh my God. I think we're good.
Gucci boy.
Oh God. Oy! Labas! Saan ba?
Oh, shit.
What the fuck was that?
Fuck that shit.
Village market.
Oh, fuck no. Let's go home, bitch. Ay, dito nga. Sarado to kanina, diba?
Oo.
I don't wanna do this anymore, you guys. Nasaan kayo? Iniwan niyo ako.
Balikan.
Nasaan kayo? Nasa cave ako.
Alam mo sa pamilya to, walang gano'n eh. Kapag kasama talaga tayo. Palaging may nauuna eh.
I go the other way. I was ready to go back to the chief.
Hey, you there? Come here. Check this out.
Fuck you!
Oh, we're sick.
I'm sick of this shit. Why is you, what ang titinda nila?
What is that? Leaf?
Leaf? With.
With?
They're Bentine Chonky. Oh, pretty
Chonky.
lady.
Hi,
Oh, ito yung nasa picture.
Seems like you're all not from around here.
Yung pretty mo naman, lady.
Not pretty lady.
Yeah. We weren't from here. Sorry in advance. You know the village there? What village? Uy!
Who is you?
Don't say that!
The nearest village. There's only one up there.
What you mean?
Who is you, lady?
There's a village down there. Oh, I'm sick. Don't bother. Come and eat. It's all free. Oh
I don't
no.
wanna eat. Who is you?
Should we accept the... No!
No, lady, who is you? A beautiful lady out of nowhere.
Offering us food is wrong.
No.
We decide take or not. Beba, take it. I don't take it. No.
Ano pag pininain mo?
Ay, ikaw pipili, Beb.
Fuck. What do you... What do we do?
I will not interfere. Bye.
I think it's a vote for the three of us.
No, I vote.
No.
I think if I vote yes, I will stay here.
But I'm scared of the lady. What if she get angry? She's the queen. She's the in the picture.
She's floating. See? I don't believe her. Bound now.
Besides, pretty lady.
And I will stay right behind
What if she
you.
kill us if we deny?
I stay behind here. All the way back here.
Lady? Lady, why is you float?
Alam mo kung nasa ka. Talikod ka.
Why is... Sure? No! No?
You wanna accept it? It's your choice, darling.
Are we gonna do this all over again and see what the yes looks like?
Yes.
In the part 1, we will deny. I'm scared to deny. Kasi sa ibang part ng Philippines, you cannot deny. Bad ending. You are not part of us.
Darling, I think I did it
I think we did that. Oopsie. Are we gonna get sacrificed?
Shit. Bad ending. May sinabi ba na kailangan i-take niya?
I don't
No, may
know.
nag-ano lang doon na may choices sa dulo.
Oh.
My gosh.
Oh,
Makita
no,
yung
we need to do
ending.
it all over again. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, I said no.
See, this is why...
Alam naman natin kung nasan yung mga papers.
Ay, ito oh, merong ano, if you disconnected. Ay, ang galing.
Step into rejoin.
Darling, we... I don't think we are disconnected.
Let me rejoin to the end.
This is a very nice game. Very nice dancing. I wanna dance to here.
Like this.
Yeah, I wanna dance like this too. Ang gwapo naman ito yung ano, yung Mafia Bosso.
I like this dance.
Oh my god, this game.
You wanna try on here for the last one?
Pagod ako.
Yeah.
Wanna try on
Tomorrow again. Can we do it tomorrow?
Yeah. Tomorrow.
Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.
Let's go.